And so the name was passed through the process of transmogrification and metamorphosis.
Exactly, that's my prof.
So what I said?
Yes.
I'm metamorphosize it, and instead of kowuno, in a bay kowu.
Yes. I'm not free as antimemno.
I'm free
17th and 18th century. No.
I'm free man pon.
Yeah.
I know moko. Oh, into me as antifo.
Na me yi enta sem bia tro. Ha no choke ma me
ma choco.
And I'm fan pim so.
There be man fan pim so yanko.
Okay. All right. Sana me kan no. Nchechemu na mama no ti ye nto aso. Afei. Ko ye bia school ko wo ho. Om ye nkrofo mo pa adesua.
Oh.
Eniti me ko so no ma kire we titirifo bia mo pie e wo ko mamu.
Me da se kasaro na me pese mete no.
Good.
O fo kasaro. Enti karo. Ote. Omutwi no. Se do mo kano no.
Ye ka bi kakra.
Se anka techi.
Ko ka sabi pa obi no ka ko tim say we ko kasa pa.
But se anka techi man for the anka metimi aka bere. Berebe ko hihwe betro hin.
Enti prof, unim ko memu no. Omo tertiary institutions notable ones ho.
Okay.
Ye wo Presbyterian University ho. Presbyterian University College. And no Abetifi. And ye wo Abetifi College of Education.
Okay.
Na friend Abetico. And afen so ye sanse wo Abochie.
Okay.
And also Abetifi. Abetifi vocational training school.
Beba. Na sa school we. Baby omusu French na one for on St. Mary's. Anyone.
Sompa FM.
I was in region wow. St. Mary's omusu French pa. A training college.
Training Momako.
There be St. Mary's. Anameboa. Omusu French o pa. Anya kwu. I was in region but anya kwu. Okay, me that.
Yeah, me say Momako. Apart from that no, nursing training schools and colleges miensa. Notable ones miensa. Yewo nursing and midwifery training college etibie. Yewo Holy Family Nurses Training College. And also on Koko.
Yes, Holy Family there Bakusu or Techiman.
Yes. Catholic 4 and a manage Mia Baby. Bakodi no. And your nurses training college and also in Koko. Apart from that,
21 government senior high schools.
Yeah. Wow. And private senior high schools and on can we government 21.
Oh, kwungwa.
Yes. And to some say me catch you say ko ye bia school ko ho. School ko ho.
Yeah, go the next slide.
All right. In fact, on St. Peter so waiting pass ho, Asek ho, Cossex ho. Schools in the bit papa. Ancient trade and prosperity. All right. Enti by 19th and early 20th century you know. Ko ebe ye hunu ko se baby a
dwedie wo pa.
Omo ya ade pa.
Bomb modern too.
Yeah, omo ya ade pa. Na semene o kaza se say na yesha se o kan no. So bo ra bosu kan ya.
Omo nko
squad. Business no omo ya omo ti ase.
Omo ti ase. Asa madam for baako. Your friend Derek. Derek what business asitu. Yeah.
Enti no omo de
and part real estate you know everybody is into that and roofing.
In fact, what it is that if you take various sectors in Ghana, bonko for say
almost the bibia yanko the next slide. Yeah.
Yanko economy na na meba economy no. Unim say ye wonkrofo a omo fra mo Asante ko.
Unim ye wa Asante ko wo.
Me kire wo.
Say dey wa Asante kramo no.
Me kire wo.
Na ye ni Asante.
Me kire wo dibi. Won say be omo free ni nti no.
Yeah.
Ko fo bi omo tresi omo line omo realize yes I omo enchi omo nananom free Asante.
Yeah.
Now after so no omo pe Asante omo pe ko na at the same time no they want to reveal themselves and identify themselves to be very unique. Some person mo dance and into omo nko Asante ni 100%. Omo so a omo nko ko no 100%. Exactly. Edantem mefa ha afa ha into from Asante
Okay.
Omo yo enya ade
Matia said they was something cramo. Good.
Enti anhwe economy ewo ko asase so. Se ura new jejeti. Onya ura new jejeti na okopena wo se no. Wa enter ko.
Sa. Then na hu.
Good. Ura ko. Obia dem be wa yiwa.
Obia dem be wa yiwa.
Oya den ube hu ayiwa. Oya den.
Sa.
Ura ko a. Ube hu ayiwa. Eye trade kesi a ekoso ewo ho. Na in fact
earthen pots.
Exactly.
Good.
In fact, when him say atadwe so dey bo atadwe a.
Hey.
Atadwe.
Utim say I want atadwe free.
Prof.
I know omo wo pa na.
Hey
Patrick, I don't know if this is some wo pa.
Yo Krobia.
Atadwe dey area.
Yeah.
Nobody pay.
Sir, yo Krobia for eduamo.
Atadwe bia be di tuaro. What pepper?
Ye free Krobia eduamo.
They teach you.
Ye free Krobia eduamo.
Only
there atadwe. In fact, one am yeri free.
Hey.
Eduamo atadwe wo ho ankasa.
To aso.
Me to aso, me ko enim. All right. Enti sa niama mi enu na fe omo ye ndobai so.
There be na bees.
Good.
African bees.
Ahwene. Omo nwi
ahwene.
Yeah.
Enti mema no mutie be munkoko na munkoto bi ma. Mayere no ahwene.
Omo don ndobai so.
Aso obi se me to bi mbre no. Enti gise me ko.
Yo, mi ahwene.
Oso ebi oni bi kra ntino. Me pesika na me nkoto bi mbre no.
Mi ahwene.
Na nya license man o tie.
All right. Okay, Prof, enti tourist some tourist attractions here. Few ones I capture ewa. Yewo Abochie Stone H Park, yewo Oku Falls, Burukuwa, yewo the Gaping Rock, Kotoso, the highest habitable point in Ghana. Abochie. Beponoso.
Yeah.
And yewo Orobon Waterfalls. Ramsey Roots, your Padlock Rock.
Yeah.
Your Naneje Ampon Cave. Your the seat of Paramountcy. Your Afram River. And yewo the Kou Mountain.
Now he know is it the paragliding? We are way.
I know. Eduanoma. Oh ye Eduanoma.
Oh ye Eduanoma.
Eduanoma. Oh ye Eduanoma.
Eduanoma. How no more ye paragliding?
Sa pepe. In fact, say ukoko, especially Easter. Na say obi anya kukudo no kochibi.
Sadia no. Debbie. School fees. Baby, everybody there. I know they ain't yet. Baby, everybody there. I know the school fees.
I don't know if you're for them watch you.
I know they ain't yet. I don't know if you're for them watch you.
Dear, what we can say?
Sompa. And then no. Ama omai mo no. Yo etitrufuo bia. Omo omai mo a. Omo free ko. Na some few ones were ha. Yebekum. Enti Nana Pedu. Yababa Nana Pedu a high life musician. Ofiko.
Nana Pedu fiko.
Yeah.
Oh.
So ofin kwa Yankopon fa.
Yeah, Nana Pedu.
Kojo entry.
Ofiko. Sa. Obrafo oyko ni ba. Hey. Yeah.
No. Oh, Prof.
Also school run the grading. That's a school grade until that.
I'm Pacific Presby Senior High School. On a upset.
Until that.
In fact, everyone say until upset until impasse here. Science and math school recent one year omo. That's school ni wo.
Me ho kra na me te na me go na me hwe kakra.
Won ade no.
Anya nkola no kra na edi mudin ba ho anke ye ntem nka. Eje sa nkola no kra no mo sa nkola no mudi mudin ba ho. Anya bia school no den na ma nkola.
You should be noted for something particular.
Okay, yeah. Yanko
Supreme Court na na yanko for.
Delay free ho.
Oh yes.
Hey, NS media.
In fact, delay in media career crown.
NS chemist.
Yes, honor free.
Hey, selling from Bomanzo.
Yes. Seconds we know free.
Sir.
Yes. Metalist.
What's it? Message.
Metalist.
Sompa
Enti. Yeah, oboba radio ya.
Yeah. All right, you can to the next slide.
All right. Enti. Pictures.
Wow.
Where body now on Facebook
research
Yo, thank you.
Me ba cho say one ko Facebook
Legends. And the co-was as in a producing crofua. On my year contribution can see. I'm social pictures in play. Wake up like a crayo.
Wow.
Every sector. Crofua.
Pharmaceutical.
Yanko. Entertainment.
Yanko.
All right. And the Yanko Ko and the Easter festivity. One of the things I name Ko for. Easter. Ko.
Wow.
Ko. Me no ka say nkofo nam kwan so a ehia nkofo eko.
Wow.
Bibia akogina o ma bibia o man ni na ya celebrate
because every year biado. Kamya ko ka say kwawu agidimpa eba na Easter.
Yeah.
We ya nguna for so ye di Easter pa. Ba kwawu akata ye de no so.
Sa pepepe. Akwa national celebration.
And I want to call paragliding,
paragliding, street carnivals, cultural performances,
and our family reunions.
Wow. The whole year, on Koni Krum. And Easter ni draw, no muna kwa kushia.
Oh, okay.
And I feel so a drama kwa in Kabum, and no more prom here. And I feel do sa time no swa. Oma Nyamiadum omedi ye no.
Beba kwofo no muka obiano.
Dabi equiapim.
No more muka saying.
Oba.
Okay, some de normally find some asante for.
Yeah, bibisa. And sometimes pronunciations no. Ebi krampo na aya to say
kwawu ne ekwapim no difference be na wo.
Omo was some similarities because so far they say mukase. Omo kasa but asante ni beka jade. Edin bi to say efia. Asante ni beka efia. But kwawu any ekwapim beka efua. Fancy so kan. If I so kan.
Wow.
What I say?
Okay, so yanko.
And the actual activities ni be do Easter. Ekoso ebi na eboboye no. Your paragliding, hiking, carnivals, any street jams. In fact, say edu kwewa, edu Easter ewo kwewa. Kwan ni be blocky because in mebunu no omo jiomani. Omo jiomani pa. So she street carnivals outdoor jams omo bo. Omuji omani ankasa obi on ma okokwo a eyenu nti na chese okay ni gie na prof
yeah
gliding no
yeah
ehun asem de man benya ntintima Easter nim in fact enu krapo ka ho na Easter no much official and popularized
the paragliding no
yes Ministry of Tourism in 2005 enom se dabi saadie we no si etimi ye money very official. Ni inculcate and say fan share.
Ejafi ebekoso ada.
Ebekoso live in college. From 2005. Yes, official.
Okay, that's fine.
And the surprising thing is that, or the interesting thing is that the man can say, "Ebi muti me free America, abra foot crap to me ba." Ebe participating.
Okay, that's fine. Let's go to the next slide. So these are some of the pictures.
Some of the
scenes. But Facebook is here.
And the only was your na settlement in Daya Ewoho. Into a so radia on try. On try.
Me I deal with me to try. Now a cost of Homa Bahote. If you get good.
I think say
street carnivals.
Yes, typical experience and a view in here. Enti safian sa okokowa anaso ba be kokowa. Hunu se e ho be bo peso. Edu ho a say na ekoso.
All right. Okay.
Enti prof. So my yasa akwanya ya. Na video yes ye kire ye ne ensam kakra yaka ni na about kwewu. Na eye period a ye kwa akodi Easter also ebebo so pa
na
ye de bedum ye tea for any atefo
Mirase, why are there pa? Blowman on Facebook says, Abochie, you are too much. I've been following you from Classic FM Techiman. Big ups to Kojo Ejekum, one of the best MP we have in the Bunu East region. Efwa Asabia says, Prof. Efwa Asabia says, Prof. I suspect your man is a woman because the way he's giving the hype with the vim dear Charlie. If I don't know if he's a woman. Obviously, maybe that's all you're oh, so if was your suspicion is true. It is real. Yeah. Alexander Felix Mensah says a very nice and a natural scene of Kwewu mountainous towns beginning from Etibie. It's indeed for God and country that we can have such a scene. Thank you so much for this particular message. Nana Sarah Intechman says that, well done, Kwabena, keep it up. Then Kweku Frimpong Dennis, this is a beautiful presentation by all standards. And Kweku Frimpong Dennis again says that, in fact, it is not noise making again, better presentation by professionals. Thank you very much. Kisiwa Elizabeth says that, nice presentation. We're very glad for the comments that you're just pouring in over here. And then the other comments there, we're just going to be making sure we read to you live here, of course, on Sompa 106.5 FM for God and Country. So we are trying as much as possible, sir. Na yeni ye papa bakwa odimpa edinkomo ene enyumri ewo eye Sompa 106.5 FM. Okay, so menya Prof Akasanuma ewa hamana so is a prominent member of Kwewu. Prof Lampacho edumre for God and Country. Yama akwaba ewo Sompa so. Yama akwaba ba edumedie so. Hello, Pacho. Apom to say.
No, it's your serious one price or a nyagro.
Hey, it's your tall. I want price.
Try the nothing could you acquire and the more can come here than Papa.
Oh, where the father you go? Where the father you go? I tell you, Easter in your mamundio. Wow, shall see now.
It's your 200 and your grow cram. Hey,
now last year, so in short toss.
What's it?
I fear Tremono, none of you should toss her.
This one said, Maton Monday no moon. Do I na East Santa, Apple East Santa, be she and shoe. And from money, I didn't swear to her in your bro. Minister, class or one left to another, who born it to mass near the chicken most of Cambodia. But it's one better coaching. That's happening in your one. Insurance to call any award that. Yeah, naturally, a boy. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Maybe I'm sure today I will maybe a level of woman. You one time to do a mention.
Okay. Now, yeah, but say, Bisa say, Kwewu, Afibiano, Ghana half an Bia, Unamwa. I could do is a breswa, Obiaso or Kwewu. Now, ye Bisa Kra say, Kwewu, Krano, a fashion. This significance pa and anything.
Oh. Well, fashion and dear. And if you know my year, and Paco, Apache, and say, Eastern, on the say. We probably beside Easter. Now, Eastern, any of my Eastern, Christopher Apache. Christopher Apache, you know, about Christmas. Yeah, Jesus Christ, I won't know Bethlehem. And the atos me new Easter. Yes, Christopher, who are money, I will carry. The Cobona senior more good time. And in Easter, I bear Apache, and the day the use of a man who study and call for the friend. The issue a man who only feed day no. Now, call Barbara one. I can't now watch my quiz issue. You also continue or yeah, a from Poncosu called Jerusalem. And then I am not Christmas, a year do are not Christmas food, dear friend, Palm Sunday. You also continue from Ponco back to a visit called Jerusalem. That is the triumphant entry of Jesus into Jerusalem. And in another quotation, say, I saw that son may be this Palm Sunday. I holy week, I mean, actually said, you can let you go. This Tanaka said, you go up and your friends Passover. edu a Jesus no ko wo nkrom na ko bi afashe nti ohene Agripa no ne Kaisar mo breso na omma ekokan nipa ye bibia wo obi anko ne krom na fom kame na ye akonfo de ndi bi hia bre a first bishop penipa of February by friends Grad Ramsia oni me yiri Musa Ramsia omo ba okoma mu habra asantifo ku bi friends Granty War no omo ko no 1874 the 2 years ena ono Ramsia na asantifo no chiri ni firi akom
okay
for the back was so je ndi odi na ndi ko kuma se na du bofo isa Granty War no ko na 1874 ayaka dia du bofo ni asantifo ndi ye no amana ni anka asantimenti o brand ne ho to no an se yi ni trick na se mpan se onya ne ho fadiye no so ontna danti o nti o ba ko san se brand du bofo de ne be sin o ne fa ko mam na abako se so du abiti na biti for man ko didi to kom de ne pa ante biti for man ko didi nti brand ne ho san no an se mpan se yi ni fiase no ne ufila santo fallen semana no toni o fan who di and just began in the union independence and so ba ko it ba ko 1876 the year 2026 the group let's say 150 years now Ramsa ba ko
wow
it after 2029 149 years out the back over obetina abitifico the fear the friend Kubase house ebusuan no ye beautiful no betu obesua wo na oba ye wan chekwa no tea school ha awo bitifico the first primary school in Kono 1876 at abitifico oba odi nyamsem no ba na abosom na wo ko ha enti abosom in those days no na apache amokanya na abosom na neche
wow
obosom bi ti se buruku ufiri kwa utafuna wakokoto soa okwa ufo so tikesi pa so ni buruku bi ali UK buruku aha echi apase yemba pase wata ya mko
okay
ubako buruku so as so okoko kama mele nyina akire wo yemba wata ya mapase enko
wow
yesi obiko no apase awo buruku na ase wampa nkosoro ho ena atete ebiko di afase ni ma bisuru buruku no obiko du buruku so na atete ani ni se buruku ni chira afase enti na ma buruku na eso obopo no so agi kakra obo no ba ku fi tofom anti buruku enye ni original buruku ntete na atete bi akoya meza kan bi it is 1876 na Ramsia le Easter na any Christmas by won kan nyam sem chira wo mo te ase nso mbe so nyame no won na start Easter won do ho koji Easter no aye Christian festival of Easter no de ho koji di the more ani pa gi nyam sem di the more na Easter no so ewura en afashi ama buruku komfo na afashi ano hye ene obosum bi ana se kwufo ne ewo okomfo bi a wa be part the komfo no che no wasante no unti ni de ni e pe na tia yawo etia yawo etia yawo wa edo yawo na no kwetia na noti tufu kwetia na ukọ abitifia ye obro bi efe na etia ya abopom atia ya abom o na etia ya nti na ne esoro komfo a wa be pa o twam a unhu so no ko no eti sa na de obi nwa se kiri na mwiem a umurunkum di kiri na nim
wow
unhu se kiri a ye bie na mwiem a unhu ni power se na murunkum ne di kwa na tia ya na ebe sia kono
wow
well very powerful fetish priest this abre na mo kanyam sem se tia ya makwan amo kanyam sem ti Ramsia ram bebre pa awo bi chicken pe piasin ko tia ni nkuru akanso afi ni o bosum bi so ani friend Tigare
yeah Tigare bosum Tigare ai
Tigare na headquarters from Kwantanai near Abene Kwantanai near Abene za Tigare so hye ne fa etia ya so hye ne fa buruku hye ne fa etia mfra manum ne abosum bi na ho ndo this enti won enana emma Christianity enkoso na so bra na Christianity ma na no hye won fa ɔhene biara wɔ ne bosom ɔhene biara wɔ ne bosom nti mfa nsɛ bia nkwatia na atia yɛ awo a nkwatia hene bɛtumi ahyɛ n'afa atia yɛ awo na ama no kwan so nkyɛ yɛwɔ ataare pie wɔn nso so wɔbrɛ so abitifi sei na bia no nso wɔ fa hyɛ a wɔn hyɛ abenne ɛwɔ n'afa hyɛ mpaeɛ so wɔ n'afa hyɛ nti obi bisa sɛ kɔwufoɔ ɛwɔ yɛ afa hyɛ a ɛni ɛyɛ dɛ ni kɔwu afa hyɛ na ɛmɛ ɔni ɛwɔ community afa hyɛ abosom na afa hyɛ so ati ase ama
ati ase paa
abosom no community sɛ wo sɛ mpa nsɛ ofiri akwasi hu community no so wɔ ɛfa bi a mo hyɛ sɛ ofiri twin na ase atwin ase community abosom no wɔ hɔ nso wɔ ne fa a ɔhyɛ ɔne nananom nti edu ha nananom tumi foro apakan ɛtena para nkwan mu ɛmi yɛ soa wɔn ne kɛse ne nyinaa yɛ afa hyɛ bi na christianity ne baeɛ no ɛnɛ